Elon Musk, the influential entrepreneur, has launched a new venture called xAI. The mission of xAI is to promote transparency and honesty in AI models, prioritizing truth over political correctness. Musk founded his latest company, xAI, in March 2023. xAI is an artificial intelligence company that specializes in creating safe and dependable AI systems. The company employs a team of AI experts who previously worked at OpenAI, DeepMind, Google, and Microsoft. The aim of xAI is to develop secure AI systems that benefit humanity and avoid harm. Various methods are being explored, including creating new algorithms that are less error-prone, implementing new security measures, and teaching AI systems to make moral decisions. The esteemed company xAI boasts a group of highly skilled professionals who are fully committed to designing and producing AI-powered systems that are both secure and dependable. Their unwavering dedication to creating top-quality products is evident in the consistent safety and reliability of their AI systems. Elon Musk placed significant emphasis on the notion that artificial intelligence, AI, should express its beliefs, even if such beliefs may be controversial in nature. In doing so, he effectively differentiates xAI from OpenAI, an organization he co-founded that has been criticized for avoiding controversy and exhibiting political bias. Recently, Elon Musk discussed his latest AI endeavor, xAI, during a Twitter audio event. His objective is to develop a highly advanced AI that can tackle intricate scientific and mathematical issues. At the Twitter event, Musk and his team of experts discussed how their AI system could aid in comprehending the true nature of events unfolding in society. Musk anticipates that AGI capable of achieving this will be developed by 2029. During a recent conversation, Musk shared that xAI is geared towards tackling complex scientific issues such as dark matter, gravity, and the Fermi paradox. Despite being in its early stages, Musk revealed that xAI will collaborate with Tesla and Twitter while ensuring the protection of investors' interests. According to Musk, Tesla is the clear front-runner in utilizing AI in practical applications, particularly evident in the self-driving capabilities of Tesla vehicles. Even though xAI has a strong emphasis on science, Musk has announced that it will also be competing with OpenAI and providing services for both individuals and companies. The release of xAI's first product is anticipated to happen in a few weeks. Musk wants xAI to become a strong contender against established industry leaders like OpenAI and Google. He believes that competition fosters honesty and prevents any one company from monopolizing the development of AI. The goals of xAI go beyond just creating an AI chatbot that tells the truth. The founder, Elon Musk, wants xAI to become a company that can understand the universe on a deeper level. By utilizing AI technology, xAI aims to investigate unresolved scientific mysteries regarding dark matter, dark energy, extraterrestrial life, and the properties of gravity. The emergence of xAI has caught the attention of executives and researchers from top AI organizations like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI. This has granted xAI access to a vast network of knowledgeable experts. There are moral concerns surrounding the pursuit of unbiased AI, particularly regarding AI alignment. It is important to have human oversight to prevent the generation of false information or the reaching of morally unacceptable conclusions by AI. Musk has stated that his motivation behind xAI is not just to counter alleged political bias in AI models. He believes that training AI to be politically correct can be dangerous because it limits the AI's ability to express what it perceives as the truth. In the past, Musk has expressed worries about AI development and stressed the importance of industry regulation and collaboration. Nevertheless, he's not the only one who acknowledges the immense potential of AI investment, which is expected to reach $15.7 trillion by 2030. Although he has faced several controversies, Musk has not been discouraged in his dedication to advancing AI. Through xAI, he aims to explore new ground and emphasize transparency in the development of AI. The idea of AI without censorship brings up concerns about what the AI considers as truth and whether it aligns with human comprehension. Something that one person believes to be true could be seen as propaganda by someone else. Although the concept of an unfiltered AI is fascinating, there are worries about possible unintended consequences, similar to the story of Pandora's box. It remains to be seen whether xAI will bring about enlightenment or if it will have unforeseen impacts. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get all of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching.